Hey friends, if you wish to hide the desktop icons on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's easy. Simply right click anywhere in the open space on your desktop and you'll find an option here which says show desktop icons is checked, which means that the desktop icons are showing. Click on it once again and they're gone. Now this is for the desktop icons, but if you want to remove everything from your desktop, then right click on the taskbar as well. Select taskbar settings, scroll down, expand taskbar behaviors, check this box associated with automatically hide the taskbar, it's gone. But when you close it, the taskbar will appear again. So here's what I usually do. I turn off all of these three switches, which is for Copilot, Task View and Widgets, which makes my computer look minimalistic. So if you wish to bring it back, then simply right click on the taskbar, scroll down, taskbar behaviors and uncheck it. And as for the desktop icons, right click in the open space, view, and there's no checkbox next to show desktop icons. Click on it and they are back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.